Well, we're sitting on our horse farm out here. This is Bear Creek Farms, and it's about 1,000 acres. We have 45 horses here. It's a breeding farm for horses that might make it to the U.S. Olympic team, we hope, someday. And it's a great place. It fits my values really well for what I want in my life and what my wife wants. You know, sometimes that takes a while to figure out. I've lived, there you go. There's part of our values right there. Out here, this is the South, guns and fishing. It's all part of the culture out here. And we all grow up with it. And we all comfortable with it, you know. And it just fits my values. And it's very similar to what you think about when you're thinking about, what should I put my money in? You got to put your money in things that connect with you, that fit your value system. And the reason for that primarily is because you'll love it. You'll love the process. You'll be passionate about the company that you own. And that's really the essence of investing. I think one of the best investors in the world is a guy named Li Lu, who is phenomenal, Chinese investor who invests with this strategy that we're teaching you guys. And he said, investing is just about figuring out what you're passionate about and then magnifying it. And I just love that. It's like we're passionate about this lifestyle, so we magnify it, right? We get it bigger and it feeds us. And the same thing happens when we're buying companies we really love. We're just fed by those, and the world feels like we're more in touch with it because we're more in touch with the way our money is working in the world. And by the way, we take something like that that's part of our lives, and we look around for companies that do those kinds of things. Fishing rods, sleeping bags, guns, whatever it is that you're passionate about. You might not be passionate about guns, a lot of people aren't, but there are things you are passionate about, and that is where you should focus. Just like that's where you should focus your life. Well, that's it for this week's video. If you're new here, or if you found this helpful, just subscribe to our channel for more education like this on a weekly basis.